Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you've heard of grounding, you're gonna love this.
This is by Irving. This is our two grounding pillowcases that I really enjoy sleeping with. I appreciate it's something that I do every day already is sleep, so adding grounding into your life is super convenient with these pillowcases. I like how easy they are to clean as well. You can simply wipe them and you can hand wash them and they come out real clean. However, they are not recommended to be put in the washing machine. I sleep directly on this pillowcase and find that it's very comfortable. I enjoy how it feels. It's very smooth and I don't mind it at all. However, you could put a pillowcase on top of this, like cotton or something else, and still be with the grounding that you're looking for. And the coil as well is easy to snap on inside the pillowcase. And I love that the cord is long and it's coiled up so that it can stretch and then you can throw it behind your bed and it's out of the way completely. I find that it's a nice incentive for relaxing having this pillowcase, and it's an easy way to get grounding into my daily routine. The material is sturdy and it looks very durable, and after sleeping on it for some time, I've really enjoyed the durability and comfort of this pillowcase. It comes with a way to check if your outlet is grounded, and you can do that before you connect your coil. You can also check if your coil is grounded as well. It has a tester. It comes with two fascinating books, so if you like reading, that is a great addition as well. And then you have your adapter where you can plug in two coils, two pillowcases into your outlet.
We appreciate it, but that's just my point of view.